last video, we spoke about gate level modeling, and here in this video, we will look at gate level multiplexer, how to write a module for a gate level multiplexer. Here is a 4:1 multiplexer. I0, I1, I2, I3 are the four inputs of the mux. S1 and S2 are the select line, and out is the output. When the select line is 0, 0, out is I0, select line is 0, 1, out is I1, select line is 1, 0, out is I2, select line is 1, 1, out is I3. At the gate level, the circuit would look like this. These are the four instances of the AND gates. Y0, Y1, Y2 and Y3 are the four internal outputs coming out of the four AND gates. The input to Y0 is I0, then S1, 0, S1 bar and S0 bar. Okay, so that is 0, 0. S1 and S0 is 0, 0 here. S1 and S0 is 0, 1 here. You see, 1 is coming here and 0 is coming here. For this one, it is 1, 0. So you see, 1 is coming here and 0 is coming here. For this particular AND gate, and for this this is AND gate, it is 1, 1. That is S1 is 1 and S0 is 1. And here is the input I0, here is the input I1, here is the input I2, here is the input I3, and here is the OR of all the four outputs, that is out. So here is the circuit for the 4x1 multiplexer at gate level. Now we are here is the comment I have put for module 4:1 multiplexer. And port list is taken exactly from the input output diagram. Just now I showed the diagram. From the input output diagram, port list is taken. So this symbol is for comments. So module mux 4_2_1. Okay, 4:1 mux. So out is the output. I0, I1, I2, I3, S1 and S0. They are the inputs to the module. This is the port list. Now I am declaring the ports. Port declaration from the IO diagram. This is the comment. This double slash is for comment. Single line comments. So output, out is of type output, semicolon. I0, I1, I2, I3 all separated by commas. These of type input, semicolon. S1, S0 separated by comma, input, semicolon. So they are, this out is output type, others are all input types. Okay, this is how we are declaring the ports. Now we are declaring the internal wires. So wire S1N and S0N. Okay, S1N and S0N means S1 not and S0 not. So we are declaring the wire. Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3 output all the AND gates we are declaring as wire. Now here is the gate instantiation of two NOT gates. Okay, S1N is the output, S1 is the input, S0N is the output and S0 is the input. You just realize here we have not provided the instance name. So this gate instantiation are happening without the instance name. So which is legally correct in Verilog. Now 3 input AND gates are instantiated. You see here all the 3 input AND gates, and please note in all of them no instance name is provided and it is legally correct in Verilog. In syntactically correct, not legally, syntactically correct. So Y0 is the output here, Y1, Y2, Y3. These are all outputs. Input for AND, first AND is, for which output is Y0 is I0, S1 not, S0 not, semicolon. For second AND gate, for which output is Y1, inputs are I1, S1N and S0, semicolon. For third AND gate, Y2, inputs are I2, S1, S0N. For fourth AND gate, Y3 is the output for that. I3, S1, S0 are the inputs of the AND gate. So 4 input OR gate is instantiated. OR gate, out, Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3 and semicolon. Here also no instance name is provided. Output is the final output, which is the OR of the inputs Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3 and end module. This is the end of the module. Now I am providing a module stimulus for the multiplexer. Stimulus means when I am providing sending the values of inputs and inputs and the select line. Okay. And I am checking whether the output coming is correct as per the design circuit or not. So I am sending the stimulus. I am providing the values to it at different point of time, input values, and what would be the output. Okay, whether they are coming as per the circuit or not, we need to check that. And for that we have the module stimulus. So module stimulus semicolon. Here in comment I have written define the stimulus module and no ports. So here is no ports. Declare the variable to be connected to the inputs. This is a test bench module. So I am providing connecting variables. Okay. So reg, IN0, IN1, IN2, IN3. This is also reg. Reg S1 and S0. This is also reg. Here semicolon, semicolon. Declare output wire output semicolon. Instantiate the multiplexer. Mux 421 my mux output IN0, IN1, IN2, IN3, S1, S0 semicolon. This is the how we are instantiating the multiplexer. Mux X4 underscore 2 underscore 1. So this is the module name. You realize this is the module name of the 421 multiplexer. MyMux is the instance name. And then this is the connection, port level connection to the variable, connection variable which is provided in stimulus. They are connected to the inputs of the 421 mux. So it is the connection by position. Okay, connection is happening by position. Now I am providing the stimulus to the inputs. Stimulus to the input means I am setting the input lines for testing the output line. So inside the initial begin. So IN at 0 simulation time, IN0 I am putting as 1 semicolon, IN1 I am putting as 0, IN2 putting as 1 and IN3 is putting at 0. After 1 unit of time I am having the display. I am displaying all the inputs which are provided. Okay, now I am choosing the select line. Choose INO. So I am choosing the input 0. 0 input would be I0 would be provided to output. So S1 is 0 and S0 is 0. Semicolon. Okay, now again after 1 unit of time I am doing the display of select lines and I am displaying the output also. This is the display statement. Because already inputs are provided, just after choosing the select line, output would be selected. So we will check whether the output is coming same as INO 0 or not. INO or not. Now IN1. Choose IN1. S1 is 0 and S0 is 1. Semicolon. This I am choosing IN1. After 1 unit of time, I am doing the display. S1 I am displaying. S0 I am displaying. Output I am displaying. So S1, S0 output. Semicolon. Now I am choosing the IN2. For that choosing IN2, S1 is 1. As S0 is 0. Here both semicolon. After 1 unit of time, #1, I am doing the display. S1 percentage B, S0 percentage B, output is equal to percentage B, new line character under double quotes, comma, S1, S0 output, semicolon. Choose IN3. So S1 is equal to 1, S0 is equal to 1, semicolon, #1, dollar display. Inside the double quotes, S1 is equal to percentage B, comma S0 is equal to percentage B, comma output is equal to percentage B, new line character, double quote, S1 S0 output, semicolon, end module. So now this is the output of the simulation is shown. For each combination of select line is tested. So IN0 is 1. I am displaying first display statement was IN0, IN1, IN2, IN3. Then second display was S1 is equal to 0, S0 is equal to 0, output is 1. So same coming as IN0. Okay. Second display was the third display was S1 is equal to 0, S0 equal to 1. So output was coming as 0, same as IN1. Fourth was S1 equal to 1 and S0 is equal to 0, output was coming as 1, same as IN2. Last one display was S1 is equal to 1 and S0 is equal to 1, output was coming as 0, that is IN3. So we check the functionality of the circuit, whether it is correct or not. Please subscribe the channel if you like the video. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.